Origin of Vijayanagar Empire. Vijayanagar Empire was founded in the year 1336 by Harihara and Bukka of Sangama dynasty. Harihara and Bukka were at first in service of the king Prataparudra II of the Kakatiya dynasty in Warangal. Later, when Kakatiyas were being invaded by Muhammad bin Tughlaq and were being defeated in the year 1323, Harihara and Bukka left for the kingdom of Kampili in the present-day modern Karnataka, and they became the ministers there. But then Muhammad Tughlaq also invaded Kampili and it defeated the kingdom there. So now Harihara and Bukka were being imprisoned, converted to Islam, and then they were appointed to deal with the rebellions in the province of Kampili. After establishing their sway over Kampili at first for the Sultan, Harihara and Bukka converted back to Hinduism by Saint Vidyaranya. They proclaimed their independence and they founded a new city on the south bank of Tungabhadra, which is called as Vijayanagara, that is a city of victory, or is also called as Vidyanagara, the city of learning. Now, when Harihara and Bukka tried to establish this Vijayanagar empire, at that time there was a war between the Hoysala ruler of Mysore and Sultan of Madurai. Sultan of Madurai had expansionist ambition, that is, he wanted to expand his kingdom from Madurai to other parts of South India. In this war between the Hoysala ruler of Mysore and the Sultan of Madurai, Hoysala ruler was being defeated and then he was executed by the Sultan of Madurai. Now this dissolution of the Hoysala kingdom, this enabled Harihara and Bukka to expand their little kingdom of Vijayanagara. By the year 1346, the whole of the Hoysala kingdom had passed into the hands of Vijayanagar rulers. But then there was wars between the Sultan of Madurai and the Vijayanagar rulers, and these wars lasted for almost 4 decades. In the year 1377, Vijayanagar rulers completely wiped out the Sultans of Madurai, and they captured almost the whole of the South India, which included the current Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka regions.